Okay guys, welcome back to another video. So today I'm going to be doing another tier list. And yeah, here we go. So today I think I'm going to do my screenshots. If I can get the thing to load. Okay, here we go. So let's see here. No. There we go. Okay, let's see here. I'm just going to see. I got to go to screenshots. Should I just... No, never mind, guys. Freaking screenshots, here it is. Okay, so first screenshots, S screenshots. So this is S all day. That's an S right there. And probably this is an S. Okay, let's do A. A is probably A. I don't know. You know what? Let's do that at A. Let's do that one at A. Let's do F. That's F right there. Let's do another. Let's do C. Let's see. Put this at. I'll put this at C. Okay, let's do another one at A. Here. Put this at A. Let's do E. This at E, yeah. Now D. D. Sit. Now I gotta do B. B. I do not know. I guess this. I don't know. Let's do another one at C. Oh, I already know which one to do. That one. Let's do another one at F, maybe. I don't know. Let's do. You know what? I think that's all I'll do, to be honest. I don't have many. I'll probably make another video here in a little bit. But yeah, there's the screenshot tier list. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next one. Make sure you like and subscribe. Bye.